0. Alright, yeah, you can factor this, I guess. This is a perfect square, that's a perfect square, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, what's the square root of 625, my stews? Come on.
It's 5.
Is it 5?
No,
It's not 5. Is
Is
it 25?
Yeah, I thought you meant to the 4.
So it's y squared minus 25 and y squared plus 25.
That's 5.
Right, 25 times 25. Check it. Okay, can you guys factor anything else here? Yeah, y plus 5, y minus 5. And then I have y squared plus 25. I can't factor that. Okay, does this just say factor or does it find the zeros? Does it say find the zeros? You gotta find zeros. No, you can't factor this. That's a sum of squares. There's no such thing as factoring a sum of squares. Okay, so right now we got y equals a positive and a negative 5. But what does this give us? If I take y squared plus 25 and I set this equal to 0, can I subtract 25 from both sides? Yeah, for sure I can. And then what? Then square root? Oh, snap. We get y equals plus or minus the square root of negative 25? That can be split up to plus or minus the square root of negative 1 and the square root of 25. And what is the square root of 25? 5 plus or minus that foo. And the square root of negative 1 is going to be I. So there's your other zeros. Plus or minus 5i. That's it.